And it's because your dad won't let you have one, right? Yeah.
So you're never gonna get married, Christian?
No.
No.
Not really. I'm not gonna get married either.
Autumn, you're not gonna marry Christian?
No. I don't marry. What about that? I don't marry like boyfriends or real boyfriends. Like even grown ups, I don't know. Even grown ups, I don't know. I know Johnny. I know Johnny. He's Johnny.
Who's Jeremy, Autumn?
The one that married Candace. That's a cartoon guy.
Oh, off of Phineas and Ferb? You're gonna marry Jeremy?
No, he's not real. He's not real. I meant the cartoon Johnny.
Jeremy?
Yeah, the cartoon Johnny from Phineas. Oh, can I say a second? Yeah. What? Don't ever get married to a boy.
Does that mean she's supposed to marry a girl?
Oh! No, I don't marry girls. She starts marrying a boy, they start getting loco. Don't try to do me. I don't marry girls. Because I'm already married.
I thought you said you weren't going to get married.
You're just your mom. You're just a silly little boy. Like you're the silliest, like your dad. You're the silly. Then marry a boy. You're the sillier like your dad. You're a very young guy, silly old guy. Oh, sorry, goes before this year is over. So I would be quiet. Welcome everybody.
I guess the debate's over.
I always time to go at my school.
You have any commentary, Christina?
Oh my God. Nope.
Thank you for the intelligent debate back there.
I was happy.